We're trying to give him some bread, Amelia.
I got food.
Don't give him any bread, just let him have the seed. They don't eat bread in the wild. It's not good for them.
Oh, come on, I gave him bread. Can I have some seeds?
Beautiful colours. Just amazing.
Can I have some seeds?
It's just so cute.
This is the Australian bowerbird. They're the ones that collect all the blue things. Make blue displays around their nest. They have a ground on the nest and it's very interesting. Anything blue they will collect and put it all on display around their nest. They've got really blue, purple eyes. See the purple eyes? They're such a, it's like a purpley blue colour. The phone doesn't do it justice. They're an amazing colour. Really interesting birds. The wildlife up here, it's worth just coming